Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about poly V piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
All right, question. Does a gas valve for a hot water tank need electricity? Well, I guess it all depends. The new style, direct vent and power direct vent hot water tanks, they do require electricity. Not for the gas valve necessarily, but for the motor that sits on the top. This style of tank is an atmospheric vented tank, and it's been used for hundreds of years. If we go down here, it has a mechanical gas valve, but some of the other models will have a blinking light on them. Doesn't necessarily means it needs electricity. Actually, a lot of the newer models have something called a piezo igniter and a different system on them that actually takes electricity and makes electricity from the fire inside of the hot water tank and generates a small current of electricity that will keep the gas valve active. Really cool systems, but no plugins, no external electricity needed. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, call expert plumbers at Urban Piping. That's who I recommend, but hey, that's just me.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on poly V. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.